Welcome to our showroom. Today we are showing some roses products. These roses you can see are real roses. They are real plant with real petals and real leaves and preserved. As you can see, these petals are real and these leaves are real too. This is a really real rose. This is the biggest raw rose you can ever find from the farm. Size of this rose is bigger than 5 and smaller than 6. As you can see, this small bowl is about 7 centimeters, and the rose is a little bit bigger than 5 centimeters. As I said, this rose is the biggest we can ever find from farm. It is protected by this small bowl, so it will be safe during shipping. And we use this small pin to fix it. When you will use this product, you just need to remove it and take it out. This is a product. Okay, let's have a measure. You can see this rose is about 5 centimeters tall, and the size is also bigger than 5 centimeters. And there are many colors for choose. You can find all colors from our color card, and you can contact us to know more details if you are interested. Thanks for your watching.